This is Professor Rujo Moreno with an overview of Learning Objective 1 in Chapter 2. This is very brief. It goes over personal financial statements, which you'll be practicing in this chapter. First thing you're going to be doing is learning about the balance sheet and then creating one of your own. The next thing you'll be learning about is the income and expense statement, which basically looks at how much income you've made, say, in a period of time like a month or a year, and the expenses you've had to see if you have anything left over. You'll be creating one of those as well later in the chapter. And then we'll be looking at the role of budgets in financial planning. But again, financial plans, basically you set out a whole mess of goals to achieve. And you need to find out and use things like these financial statements and budgets to make sure those goals are getting achieved. And that's the purpose of needing to learn about them. So take a look around Objective 1 for some basics, and you'll get into a lot more detail starting next objective.